Welcome to Holiday Shelter Channel. In this episode, we're visiting a frame near Tivoli and Hudson in the United States. Red Hook A-frame is a secluded getaway with a Scandinavian boho-chic aesthetic, straight from the pages of the trendiest home decor slideshow. The newly renovated house features Insta-worthy, high-end details in the open kitchen and spa-like bathrooms. The main living area features high ceilings and newly installed custom windows to take advantage of the expansive A-frame structure. The space of the property boasts an open concept layout that's perfect for entertaining with friends and family. The brand new kitchen features open shelving displaying chic entertaining and serverware, stainless steel appliances including a gas stove and dishwasher, no microwave. Farm sink and ample counter space for cooking, as well as a long farm table for family feasts, romantic dinners, or any special occasion. The living room includes fireplace with built-in wood storage, which adds a rustic charm to this modern home. The space creates the perfect setting for a cozy movie night or just relaxation with a crackling fire. The main floor includes 3 cozy bedrooms, including a master with an ensuite bath, as well as a guest bathroom with tub. The upstairs bedroom includes kids' play space. What a perfect getaway with a Scandinavian aesthetic straight from the pages of the trendiest home decor slideshow. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. See you in upcoming episodes.